like an empty street. I fill my days with the way you are.
This station is testing the Connecticut Statewide Emergency Alert System, a system that can quickly warn in the event of an emergency is being tested. If this had been an Amber Alert, evacuation, or other emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test. Brought to you by the Connecticut Department of Emergency Services and Public Protection.
Baby, why you wanna lose me like you don't need me? Like I don't block you and you still try to reach me? How you figure out?